Today I am reviewing Lenovo LOQ 15AHP9 RTX 4060 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo LOQ 15AHP9 is a gaming laptop designed for performance enthusiasts who demand speed, power, and reliability in a sleek package. At its core, this machine packs the impressive AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 5.1 GHz. This means whether you are gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this laptop delivers powerful, lag-free performance. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, the LOQ 15 delivers stunning graphics performance, capable of running modern AAA titles smoothly at high settings. The RTX 4060's advanced architecture and 8GB of GDDR5 memory allow for real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced visuals, giving you a more immersive gaming experience. One of the standout features is the 32GB DDR5 RAM. This is not just fast memory. It's high-bandwidth memory that enables seamless multitasking, whether you're gaming while streaming, browsing, or editing. Alongside this, the 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game launches, and plenty of storage for games, files, and software. The display on the LOQ 15 is another highlight, a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers crisp visuals with smooth frame transitions, perfect for fast-paced gaming where every millisecond counts. The anti-glare micro-edge screen enhances clarity and reduces reflections, keeping your gameplay sharp and immersive. It also covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, meaning colors are vibrant and accurate, ideal for both gaming and content creation. In terms of design, the LOQ 15 offers a robust build with a clean, gamer-centric aesthetic. The backlit keyboard is responsive and comfortable for long gaming sessions. You'll also appreciate the numeric keypad, which adds convenience for productivity tasks. The laptop comes with a range of ports, including 3 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C, an HDMI port, and an RJ45 Ethernet port, ensuring compatibility with a wide array of accessories and peripherals. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, enabling stable high-speed connections for gaming, streaming, and collaboration. The inclusion of the PCO Notebook Folding Radiator Laptop Cooler in the bundle is a thoughtful touch, keeping your system cool during intense sessions and prolonging performance over time. For gamers who want a high-performance machine without compromising portability, the Lenovo LOQ 15AHP9 is a powerful contender. It strikes an impressive balance between high-end specs, smooth visuals, and thoughtful design features. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply wants a laptop that can handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat, this laptop delivers. With 32GB RAM, RTX 4060 graphics, and a blazing Ryzen 7 processor, the Lenovo LOQ 15 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a complete powerhouse designed to keep you ahead of the competition. And with its sleek design, fast performance, and bundled laptop cooler, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about gaming or heavy computing. If you want a laptop that combines power, speed, and style in one package, the Lenovo LOQ 15AHP9 is definitely worth checking out.